Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making sweet potato noodles with ground pork. Look at that! The noodles are soft and bouncy, soaked with flavor. This right here is what I call real comfort food. Let's get started. First up, we will need a piece of pork belly. Chop it into slightly chunky minced pork. We want a bit of texture here, not too fine. Next, dice up some green and red bell peppers. And finally, mince some garlic. Toss those together. We will use them near the end for a pop of color and aroma. Chop up a little green onion and ginger too. And this right here, these are sweet potato starch noodles that I've soaked ahead of time. We want to soak them until they are soft enough to break when we pinch them between our fingers. Mine took about 2 hours to get this stage, but it really depends on how thick your noodles are. Just soak them in the water before you start cooking, and you will be fine. All the ingredients and the measurements are listed in the description, so feel free to check them out. Alright, let's start cooking. Heat some oil in the wok and toss in the minced pork. Stir fry it until the fat renders out and the edges start getting golden and a little crispy. Now, add in 1 tablespoon of Pixian Doubanjiang. This fermented chili bean paste brings the deep umami kick. Stir it around until you can really smell the aroma coming through. Then, throw in the ginger and the green onion. Give it a quick stir. Now splash in 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. That's sizzling, that's flavor locking. Add a little water and bring it to a simmer. Then drop in those soaked sweet potato noodles. Let's season it up. 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce to give the noodles that beautiful brown glaze. Now just let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Keep stirring. These noodles can stick to the bottom if you leave them alone. As the sauce thickens and starts to cling to the noodles, toss in the diced bell peppers and garlic. Let them cook through for just a bit. You will start smelling the amazing fragrance right away. Alright, just leave a little sauce in there. Don't dry it out. Now, drizzle in some sesame oil for that nutty finish. And that's it. Look at that! Beautifully glossy noodles, perfectly coated and still steaming. Everything just comes together in the bowl so nicely. I will try it first for you. Oh yeah, that's it. The noodles are super chewy and packed with flavor. Honestly, this dish is a total rice stealer. You will want to make extra rice for sure. Alright, that's it for today. Try it at your home and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.